Seven bad like in 90s. Tell a boy don't step on my Nikes. Only pop, whole place get lively.
By Knot Wig, I'm going to be using tapes today. This is how it comes straight out of the packaging, ready to wear. But I'm going to show you exactly how it's going to look when you get it and you put it on your head. This is how it will look. If you're into that, then you could just go. You don't have to do nothing. It'll look like this. But if you want it to look even more natural, let me show you what to do. They put these Bye Bye Knots tapes in here, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean my skin with the Sea Breeze. I love using this. It's kind of like witch hazel. And then I'm going to stick down some of the tapes around the hairline in front of my hair. You don't want to pull your hair out. And once it's stuck, make sure you push it in, and then you're going to take off that piece. Then I'm going to put the lace down into the tape. You want to do it just like you would glue, but everything is nice and clean for you. So if you're not into glue, you could also try this out. I'm going to clip the hair back and just start tweaking the hairline. So I'm going to clip back the edges as well. And then I'm going to cut off just a little tiny bit of the lace. Now I'm using some spritz to make sure that the hairline itself is nice and melted. So I'm just putting that right along the hairline using my fingers, and then I'm going to tie it down for about 15 minutes while I do my curly hair routine. My curly hair routine is always the same because I feel like it's foolproof, so I'm just parting out the middle so I don't really have to mess with the hair after it's already, styled. And I'm going to go in with the number 12, and then I'm going to do the curly hair routine. So this is how the hair looked straight out of the packaging. I recommend washing your wigs, but I didn't have time, so I'm just doing it straight out of the packaging. I'm going to comb the hair out and then section it in two. I'm spritzing it with a little bit of water and then going back in with my brush. I'm using what is this? I don't know. I'm going to put it in the description box, or I'm going to put it on the screen. I forgot the name of this, but I know it's a Curls moisturizing cream. I'm using that, and I'm going to go in with the Tresemme Flawless Curls Mousse. Literally, that's it. You can use a leave-in conditioner, but make sure you do water, cream, then the mousse. Chef's kiss. And this will last you a whole week, or whenever you're ready to wash your wig again. And you could always go in with some water to rehydrate the curls. But you should be good doing this routine. This is all I do. I go ahead, I scrunch it, and then I want the curls to have a ringlet at the end, so I'm using my diffuser to make sure that the ends are dry. I mean, if you leave it to air dry, your curls at the ends will be a little bit more loose, but I want to have that nice ringlet. You can see those ringlets like that. It's super pretty. And then once it's fully dry, it'll look so beautiful when it's fluffed out. So now I'm going ahead and doing the hairline. You can see it's nice and little pieces at the front. It already comes with the edges pre-styled for you. Curling iron. This is actually a flat iron. And I'm curling it away from my face. Then with some Got2b and your edge brush, spray your edge brush and brush it through the roots. Use your finger to hold it down. You can see I'm using my finger to hold it down. And I'm using very light strokes. I'm not doing it too hard. I'm using very light strokes and just maneuvering it lightly. Now the hair is dried. I'm just running my hands down just to break up any cast that the mousse may have left. And then this is the final results. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to check out Beautyforever. I will have them linked down below. I just want to be extra, so I'm fixing up the edge. I'm fixing up the edges, and I'm using my hot comb just to hot comb that back and make sure it's bulletproof. That's why I use the Got2b. This is not going to move at all. So this is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for checking out this channel. Like I said, I will have Beautyforever links down below. Don't forget to check them out if you're interested in this wig. If you enjoyed this tape install, super easy to do. Let me know down below in the comment section if you're gonna try this out. I enjoyed making this video. I want to do different things, you know, with the hair. So I mean, I tried this back like a couple years ago, so I really like it. This lasted me 2 days because I removed it in 2 days, but it could last a whole week because it was not budging. So yeah, bye.
Say man bad like in 90s. Tell a boy don't step on me Nikes. Lollipop, whole place get lively. And me there in my vibes, no one negative tonight. So watch what you want.